Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to be working with our user management settings as well as our restriction options. So to start with the user management, you'll simply need to go to the users area. And what you'll notice if you want to add a member to your S2 member membership is that you will just click add new as you normally do. You'll be required to give your customer a username as well as an email, and we're just going to enter one in here now. Okay, and once we've written this in, then we want to give our user a role, and this is where we'll choose the S2 member level that our user is going to be on. If we're going to be on level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, you'll go ahead and write that in. So in this particular case, the user we're going to be adding is going to be on level 1. Now when we do that, we want to make sure that our user is going to be sent a new email about their account, and then we'll click add new user. Then once we've done that, what we've done is we've added someone to the first level of products inside of WordPress. Now, one of the reasons that's going to be important is the next thing that we're going to be showing you, and that is the page restriction area. You may have a case where some of the content you have on a specific post, you want to restrict that content. And let's just put some practice content here. So we have placed our practice content. And in order to restrict this post, S2 member will give us a window right here above the publish box that will allow us to restrict this only to level 1 or higher. Now that means that the only customers that can get access to this content will be those who are at least at level 1, and we can restrict access to certain posts based on the membership site that people are going to be a part of. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.